Hey everyone, this is James Welcome, and this is the Welcome Legacy channel. Today, I'm going to be sharpening my blades on my Gravely ZTX 42. I sharpen my blades with a grinder. I've been doing it for the longest. That's how I was taught how to do it. And I'm going to show y'all how to do it. And if y'all get any value out this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment so I can get more content out there for y'all and keep it rolling. But like I said, I'm gonna sharpen my blades, and I'm doing it with a grinder, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do the process. All right, I'm sharpening my blades for my Gravely ZTX 42. I'm using 60 grit sandpaper. Basically, so when you're sharpening it, you want to kind of be like at about a 45-degree angle, and you want to go in the same motion. You never want to go up the blade to sharpen the blade. You want to pull it towards you every time you sharpen it. I'm gonna give you an example. See? Doing that, you want to make sure that the blade is at a 45-degree angle, and you never want to get too sharp on the blade right here at the tip. You want it to kind of like a butter knife, and you got to make sure it's even all the way down too, because if you can look at this blade, it's a little fatter right here, thinner right here, so I want to even it out to make it thin to even all the way down, so when the blades cut the grass, we'll get a good even cut. See, I got it about even. So let's see how sharp the blades is. Got this little piece of yarn. Let's see how sharp I got the blades. Should go through it the first time. Cut right through it. So a blade of grass, it's gonna get right on, get the job done. So simple and easy. Get your grinder, 60 grit, 80 grit. Get your clamp. I'm doing it right on the side of my trailer. Make sure that you're at a 45 degree. A 45 degree. And just bring it on back. Make sure that we look at the consistency of the blade, make sure that it's even all the way down, and you'll get the job done. This is James Welcome and the Welcome Legacy channel.